the noise that it produces, which can be similar to a dishwasher or vacuum cleaner. Portable ACs are not always the best choice for Indian homes. They require a high BTU rating to cool a large living space, which can increase power usage quickly. If you own an apartment or house, then for cooling do not buy portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners are good for those people who live in rented houses. Portable AC is not power efficient and not worth having if you can install a split AC. A 1-ton portable AC will consume around 1 kW per hour. That is on par with some electric-friendly ACs. But it will take more time to cool down a room.